am halving the ingredients because I don't want to make a big batch of it. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making corned beef hash
1 hour later.
dip. These are the ingredients you're going to need, and it is corned beef hash, onion. I'm going to use a half an onion, green pepper, cream cheese, shredded cheese. You want to dice your onions up really finely. All of your onions and your peppers. I've never made this recipe before. This is the first time that I'm making this, so we will see how it turns out. You are going to want to start by mixing your cream cheese and your shredded cheese together, and then you will want to add your corned beef hash and your onions and peppers. I hope you guys are having a happy holidays and enjoying our videos. I know we have a few Christmas ones. I'm hoping to feel better here soon so I can do some lives and interact with you guys. Now we are going to take out our bowl and put our ingredients in there. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give it a comment. This is it all mixed up and in the crock pot, and you're going to want to put it on low for 2 to 3 hours. I will see you when it is done and we will plate it. This is the dip all done. I'm going to stir it. I will show you it stirred up. Now that it's all stirred up, it smells delicious. Let's plate it. This is the dip all complete. I gave it a taste test. It is very delicious. Something I'm definitely gonna make again. You can also top it off with a little bit more cheese. I think it's perfect how it is. And you can also use pita chips or anything else that you like. I am using crackers